Don't believe anyone that's telling you not to use hashtags. I'm going to show you why hashtags are really, really important in your business and use them on all of your social media posts. I'm Sarah Naylor and I'm going to help you nail it in your beauty business. Watch the rest of this video to find out how to use hashtags strategically so that you'll turn up on the front page of Google every single time. I run beauty courses in a place in Dublin called Tala, and I use the hashtag Lash Course Tala regularly on my posts. So if you watch what I'm doing here, I'm gone into my Safari, I've typed in Lash Course Tala, and you can see on the front page of Google, I turn up 4 or 5 times without any sponsored posts, without any paid ads. I will turn up on the front page of Google because of that hashtag. Now, if you scroll across to images, I will literally cover the whole page nearly of all of the posts that I use hashtag Lash Course Tala. So most of the posts that are on the image page are my posts because of that hashtag. There's 1 or 2 from other companies, but the majority of them are from my company because I use hashtag Lash Course Tala all of the time. If you go into places, I come up on the top 3 of the places for that hashtag. So it'll come up with my academy on the front page in the top 3. And then if you go over to short videos, I am dominating that page because of that hashtag. So if you use your hashtag strategically, you will come up on the front page of Google without any paid ads. So whatever it is that your business is doing, hashtag exactly whatever it is that you're doing. So if you're doing lash extensions in Ballyfermot, hashtag lash extensions Ballyfermot. If you do nails in Dunboyne, hashtag nails in Dunboyne. Because people search for places to get their nails, lashes and brows done that are close to where they live. So they will go, where is the nearest salon to get my lashes done in Dunboyne, for instance. So if you use the hashtag for that geolocation, so if you geotag your location, you'll show up on the front page of Google.